In this demo, you'll learn how to set video call options ahead of a meeting, add a co-host to a scheduled meeting, and add breakout rooms to a meeting. Let's change our video call options before a meeting. Google Meet lets meeting organizers set their video call options before meetings start. You can decide some meeting moderation and meeting access settings ahead of time, like whether you want to let everyone share their screen or have quick access to meetings. Now, let's add a co-host to a scheduled meeting. Co-hosts can be added to meetings that are created with a calendar event. To add a co-host to a scheduled meeting in Calendar, open the event, click Edit Event, and then click Video Call Options. In the Host Controls tab, click the slider to enable host management, and then click the Co-host tab. Enter a name or email address into the Add Co-host field, and select from the autofill list. To ensure the co-hosts also receive emails for Google Meet recordings, attendance reports, polling reports, and other documents, be sure to check the appropriate box. Note, you can only add someone as a co-host if they've already been added to the calendar invitation. Lastly, we'll add breakout rooms before a meeting. Google Meet supports breakout rooms to divide participants into smaller groups during video calls. Breakout rooms let hosts split large meetings into smaller groups, have parallel discussions, and reconvene when they've finished. To create breakout rooms, in Video Call Options, click the Breakout Rooms tab. To assign the participants to rooms, select the number of rooms you want, and then click Shuffle to randomly assign participants. You can also drag names across the breakout rooms if you prefer to manually assign them. To change the name of a breakout room, enter the desired room name into the corresponding text box.